Dumpster rental service in Iowa. Looking for affordable, reliable dumpster rentals without hidden fees? Lee's Junk Removal and Property Care provides just that. We're proud to offer dependable dumpster rental service in Iowa. Whether you're working on a home renovation, cleaning out a property, or managing a construction project, we're here to make waste disposal easy and stress-free. At Lee's Junk Removal and Property Care, we provide a seamless and hassle-free experience. You don't have to worry about hidden costs or delays when you need a dumpster. We're transparent with our pricing and ensure our dumpsters are delivered on time every time. Our dumpster rental service is designed for efficiency. Our team handles everything from delivery to pickup, ensuring that your waste disposal is as convenient as possible. If you need a dumpster rental that you can count on, look no further. Call Lee's Junk Removal and Property Care at 319-284-6363 to get started. We're here to help you manage your waste and make your project easier. At Lee's Junk Removal and Property Care, we believe in providing reliable, affordable dumpster rentals with no surprises.